past simple tense. The past simple in English is the tense that contain two components, the past time and the simple aspect. The past time describes everything that was before now. The simple aspect means that the action, or state, is just simple without any aspects. The past simple tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The past simple is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and action duration is not important. In the past simple tense, we use the past tense form. To form it, we just add ed to the base verb. But some verbs are irregular in the past tense. As a rule, helping verbs help to ask questions or make negatives. To ask questions or make negatives in past simple, we use the past form of the helping verb to do, did. For the question, we add the helping verb did before the subject and change the main verb to the infinitive without to. For the negative, we add the helping verb did plus not after it and change the main verb to the infinitive without to. There is a special order of questions and negatives with the verb to be. In the past simple, the verb to be takes the forms was and were. So, for the question, we just move was or were before the subject. For the negative, we just add not after was or were. The past simple tense is used to express definite time in the past. We use the past simple to talk about an action which started and finished in the definite time in the past.
One action after another in the past. We use the past simple to talk about actions which happened one after the another in the past. Time indicators help to determine the tense in a sentence. You always use the past simple tense when you say when something happened, so it is associated with certain past time expressions. A definite point in time. Last week, when I was a child. Yesterday, 6 weeks ago. An indefinite point in time. The other day, ages ago, a long time ago. Frequency. Often, sometimes, always.